everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your club in FC Mobile using your Android device. If you are playing FC Mobile on your device and want to switch to a different club for whatever reason, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First of all, launch open FC Mobile on your device and from the main menu after logging in, go ahead and look for the club button on the right hand corner and tap on it. Once you're inside the club page, go ahead and click on Locker Room option on the bottom right. Inside Locker Room, click on Home Team. Under Home Team, you will see a list of clubs or home team you can select from. Select the new club you want to move to. After selecting the club, click on Select at the bottom right, and then once you do that, you can then get back to the locker room and you will see that you have now changed your club in FC Mobile. So that is how you can easily change your club in FC Mobile step by step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.